This is Ruth, and today I want to share with you 25 tips in 25 years. A simple smile accompanied by eye contact can make somebody's day. If you think you drink enough water, you probably don't, so drink some more. Skip the snacks and buy the gas. Don't just wait till that next rest stop. Just get the gas and your stress levels will be much lower. The importance of enjoying the moment in the moment. Don't put things off. Deal with situations as they come up. Naps are good. Take naps. Don't take too long of naps. I think they say about 20 minutes is max before you're dead for the rest of the day. Learning to know that it is alright to say no. I protect my alone time like a mother bear protects her cub. Let your loved ones know how much they mean to you as often as you can. And don't go to bed or say goodbye mad. Test critical self-beliefs alongside the perspective of those who truly know and love you. Always, always forgive. Hold on to childhood wonder because it's so easy to be cynical. Listen to people. Truly listen, because people say things for a reason, usually. And along that note, seek first to understand before deciding against it or shooting something down. Always seek first to understand. I personally work out because it makes me feel good about myself. I found that physique isn't really a good motivator for me. Take time to meditate. Even if it's 5 minutes, even if it's 60 seconds, gather your thoughts, find your happy place. Get out of your head and into nature. Find your role model. Don't worry about things you can't change. It's a waste of time. Take your keys out of your bag before you go outside of the building you're in. Sometimes holding on is more painful than letting go. The snooze button is your enemy. Just don't push that button. Always remember to view challenges as an opportunity to learn. Well, thank you guys for joining me on this 2-Minute Tuesday. Again, please don't forget to leave your own tips below. I did 25 because I just turned 25, but you can do as many or as few as you'd like. I would love to read them. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you guys have a fantastic week. I will see you next week for another 2-Minute Tuesday.